Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir. Good morning, sir. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Dede Dikri from Class C. I'm from the Library and Information Science Department. On this occasion, I would like to present the result of my work with presentation materially, namely scientific truths. First, I will explain the definition and process, then the benefits of scientific truths, an example of scientific truths, theory of scientific truths, and the characteristic of scientific truths. Next, I will start the presentation here. Subject, science philosophy, scientific truths, theory of truths, and the nature of scientific truths by the degree of Faculty of Science and Technology. Next. What is scientific truths? Definition. Scientific truth refers to knowledge that can be clearly and definitively verified according to scientific norms. It tends to be objective, encompassing a variety of perspectives that are mutually supportive. In everyday life, we often use the terms true and truths. Thus, the history of philosophy we frequently encounter issue relates to existence of truth and the understanding of what constitutes truth. And then in various fields of knowledge, Aristotle distinguishes between true knowledge and accurate knowledge. The term true is commonly used to refer to the knowledge itself, while the term accurate pertains to the facts taken to achieve the demand through knowledge, involving the method of operation. Humans are inherently seekers of truth, prompting the question of what truth Bani Adam Humekin is seeking. To address this complex question, it is essential to understand theory of truths. Michael Williams proposed 5 truth theory: correspondency truths, coherency truths, pragmatic truths, performative truths, and professional truths. And then process scientific truth is achieved through gravity observation, hypothesis, experiment, data analysis, and interpretation. Scientific truth is achieved through a series of systematic steps, including gravity observation, hypothesis formulation, experiment, data analysis, and interpretation. Here, a breakdown of the process. Number 1, gravity observation. Science begins with the observation of natural phenomena of specific event. This observation must be repeatable by others to ensure the reliability and repeatability of the results. Number 2, hypothesis. Based on observation, scientists formulate hypotheses, testable statement that explain the relationship between variable or profit prediction about the observation phenomena. Number 3, experiment. To test a hypothesis, scientists design and conduct experiments. These experiments are structured to gather data that can either support or refute the hypothesis. Number 4, data analysis. After collecting data from experiments, scientists perform data analysis. This involves statistical methods and data processing to determine whether the results are scientifically significant. Number 5, interpretation. The result of data analysis are then interpreted, scientists assess whether the findings support by the hypothesis, and if not, this might lead to a reformation of the hypothesis or the development of new hypotheses. Through these steps, scientific truths become increasingly reliable and acceptable within the scientific community. This process allows scientists to better understand and explain natural phenomena, processing to of development of diverse scientific knowledge. And then the benefits of scientific research. Number one, new invention. Scientific truths lead to the new discoveries, such as medicines that can cure deadly disease. Number two, solution to problem. Scientific truths help us solve complex problems, such as finding solution for sustainable energy. Number three, benefits of scientific truths because space exploration. Scientific truths allow us to explore outer space and understand this vast universe. And then of scientific truths. Example of scientific truths are some example of scientific truths. Number one, Newton law of gravity. Newton law of gravity is an example of scientific truths that has been tested and proven through observation and experiment. This law provides an explanation of the attractive force between two objects that within a certain distance. Number two, Darwin, the theory of evolution. This theory is supported by fossil evidence and direct observation of living creatures. This theory explains the origin of life and evolution of live things. Number three, laws of thermodynamics. The law of thermodynamics are examples of scientific truths that explain how energy changes in closed systems. Experiment and observation have been carried out tests and prove this law. Theory of scientific truths. Number one, correspondency adjustment theory of truths. Correspondency theory is the basis of one of the truth tests most commonly used by groups. According to this theory, truth is the Python list of objective reality. Truth is reality to statement or report that we make about something. This is described as the correspondence between statement about fact of between considers definition and the condition under consideration and attempt to describe them. Coherence. Number two, coherence or consistent theory. According to this understanding, a statement is considered true if it is consistent or in harmony with previous statements that are considered true. In other words, a consideration is considered true if it is consistent with other considerations that are logically recognized. Number three, pragmatic theory. This is theory that states the meaning of an idea is limited by reference to its scientific, personal, or social impact, which are a theory is or not depends on how the theory influences a person's life in the past. This theory is also referred to as problem solving. In other words, this is theory that can solve all a cap of a problem. The profits of scientific truths. A scientific truth has their characteristic, namely logical, empirical, and pragmatic. This is an explanation of the characteristic of scientific truths. Number one, logical. Because scientific truths has a logical system, every human being can ask his reason effect. Therefore, scientifics is considered universal. There is a difference between rational nature and irrational nature. Rational nature applies to scientific truths, while irrational nature usually applies to truths that are outside the field of knowledge. For example, being angry or crying might be considered rational even though is not rational. Number two, empirical. Most scientific knowledge and scientific truths must be tested related to the empirical reality that exists in this world. But up the certain point, they can be considered real or not. If a statement is considered biological true, we must determine whether statement is also theoretically true or not. Number three, pragmatic. To unity, the two phrase quality of truth. In other words, if a statement is touched correctly and logically and empirically, then the statement must useful for life, such as in solving various problems that one facts. These are some of things that I can convey. First of all, I forget professionally if there might be errors, the words in the preface statement. Thank you, sir. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.